I'm David Watts here at Snipes Farm, and today we are planting everyone's favorite summer fruit, tomatoes. These ones that we're planting here are cherry tomatoes, and currently we are in our high tunnel. That's what this structure is. And they will be in here for the remainder of the summer. And there are some very important things about tomatoes, since odds are you are planting tomatoes at home, or at least you can start planting them now outside. First thing is that tomatoes are naturally a vining ground crop, so then tomatoes actually want to be on the ground. But for us that's not so convenient, so we prop them up using all sorts of methods. But that's important to know because tomatoes, anywhere on the plant, will grow roots, anywhere that it's green. Because if you look at a tomato plant, it has all these hairs on it. Those are future roots. So what we do here is we take them out of our container, we break the bottom two growing spots off, and we plant them about this deep in the soil. And of course at home, you could even do it this deep if you want to, or even that deep. It really doesn't matter with tomatoes because they'll grow roots from everywhere. Another important thing and common question with tomatoes is right here in the crook of the plant is what's called a sucker. These can be broken off in order to increase fruit production. As you can see, this one already has some beautiful fruit on it. And then you just do that in order to make it so the plant is growing straight up in the air. If not, it'll grow out into a massive bush. So that just depends on what you want to do. And with tomatoes, there are two categories for tomatoes. There are red slicing tomatoes, which will be on this side, they aren't planted yet, and cherry tomatoes on this side. For cherry tomatoes, we're going to be growing orange, red, and yellow cherry tomatoes, and all of these will be a grape tomato. The difference between a grape tomato and a cherry tomato is the shape. I'm sure that all of you can picture a grape. It's kind of oblong, like an oval. A cherry tomato, of course, is pretty self-explanatory because all of you can picture a cherry, which is perfectly round, which is what some of these will be. And from all of us here at Snipes Farm, thank you for watching, and we'll see you again next week.